Good afternoon, everyone. Before we begin, I'd like to address one of the questions that matters most to everyone. Why is FF confident that we can succeed in the robotics business? Over the past 12 years, FF has invested a total of $4 billion. From the ground up, we have built EAI-driven end-to-end capabilities span R&D, product definition, delivery, and service for our EAI EV business. EAI Robotics can directly inherit and leverage this hard-to-replicate foundation of physical AI technologies, capabilities, and systems. Meanwhile, compared with building cars, robot manufacturing is far less complex. More importantly, as a US-based EAI company, FF is leveraging its independently developed four-core full-stack AI ecosystem, technology architecture, and 5 enabling capabilities to strengthen EAI robotics R&D and manufacturing here in the United States. At the same time, we are bringing the full strength of the technology, product, and the supply chain capabilities we have built over many years to the broader EAI robotics industry. Without further ado, let's now welcome the stars of today's event to the stage. Quite a lineup, isn't it? What you see here is more than a collection of robots. Together, they form an ever-expanding 6-series full-form FF EAI Robot World spanning a full range of form factors. FF is an open ecosystem EAI company with a long-term goal of advancing general embedded AI. But let me first put the robotics industry into perspective. Broadly speaking, robotics companies fall into 2 types: EAI robotics companies and non-EAI robotics companies. The latter typically include specialized robotics companies and traditional industrial robotics companies. What sets an EAI robot apart is a combination of critical capabilities, including an intelligent brain, foundation models, a physical embodiment, and the ability to generalize across different tasks and environments. Together, these capabilities create significantly higher tactical barriers to entry. As a result, EAI robotics companies tend to bring substantially greater value. We believe that no one single form factor can do it all. Our approach is one brain, multiple forms, multiple capabilities. Across form factors, EAI Devices shared a common, generalizable EAI brain along with shared skills, agents, and data capabilities. At the same time, each form factor can be equipped with specialized agents and skills tailored to different industry ecosystem and use cases. This creates differentiated in industry productive solution capable of performing a wide range of specialized professional tasks. And the EAI Device are only the entry point. FF has already built a full-core, full-stack AI ecosystem comprising the EAI brain, EAI Devices industry productivity solution or developer platform, and the EAI data factory. Together, they create a self-involving flywheel of development, data, brain solutions, deployment, along with an ecosystem-based revenue model. Next up, for today's launch event, we have 7 key highlights to share with you. First, present the 3-phase execution roadmap for FF EAI Robotics built in USA. Acceleration program. Our target is to bring our robotics factory online by year-end, and our first new EAI device of the production line in February 2027. Second, launch EAI Robotics Made in USA Global Industry Alliance Initiative. Third, unveil the Built in USA plans for our first two new EAI devices, the full-size humanoid, next futurist, and the quadruped next Aegis. We will also officially launch several new additions to the FF EAI Robot World on September 19th. Fourth, FS EAI Robotics Education Ecosystem Industry Productivity Solution 1.0 is now taking shape and will officially launch on September 19th. As a pioneer and mass adoption driver of EAI robotics education, FF is accelerating the development of the first EAI education ecosystem at scale in the US. Fifth, RobotShare is officially opening partners recruitment across North America with the goal of building the robot sharing platform with the largest fleet and the widest selection in North America. Sixth, we will officially launch recruitment for FF Parts, our distributors, and unveiling the FF Par profit flywheel. This will expand the partner earning model beyond a one-time product margin to including recurring revenue that can accumulate as the ecosystem grows, creating greater return for our partners. And the seventh, on September 28th, we will host part 2 of our Building USA launch and the business partner conference. FF will provide a compliant entry point for upstream partners looking to expand into the US market, turning advanced global technologies, supply chains, and system capabilities into market opportunities here. Next, let me give you a high-level overview of our Building USA strategy. Building our four-core full-stack AI ecosystem, we will build US-based capabilities for EAI devices and key components in phases, and strengthen our US capabilities across the EAI brain industry productivity solution and the developer platform and the EAI data factory. Our goal is to establish FF as a leading EAI robotics platform company in the US and drive the rapid long-term growth of the US robotics industry. We began planning and executing this strategy as early as last year, when FF officially began accelerating its robotics business. Today, the development of our core phase 1 capabilities has been completed. As I mentioned, Made in USA is not about isolation or exclusion. It means making the US a center for innovation, R&D, and advanced manufacturing. That is why FF is officially launching the EAI Robotics Made in USA Industry Initiative today. I'd like to invite all the speakers from the industry on the stage to mark this special moment with me. This industry initiative comes with 5 priorities. First, welcome and support leading OEMs, chip makers, component suppliers, and supply chain companies around the world to set up local operations with FS US platform. Second, invest no less than $5 billion in the US over the next 10 years across EAI robotics, AI, advanced manufacturing, and the broader industry ecosystem. The majority of that investment will be allocated to R&D, manufacturing, and supply chain development. Third, continue building out our Made in USA product portfolio with plans to launch and manufacture 3 to 5 new and next generation products in the US each year. Fourth, build a world-class open 4-core full-stack AI industry ecosystem. Fifth, take the lead in forming the EAI Robotics Made in USA Industry Alliance. All downstream partners, universities, and research or investment institutes, we invite you all to come and join us. Let's take a group photo together. Okay, thank you, everyone. Thank you. Today marks part 1 of this initiative and the beginning of our global partner recruitment. We invite all of you to visit ff.com, get in touch with us, and join us. In part 2, on September 28th, we will share more details. Together with you, we hope we can take the US EAI robotics industry into its next decade of development. Let's now take a closer look at the one core that is most directly tied to building USA EAI devices. Our approach to EAI devices manufacturing covers 3 categories. First, our existing EAI devices currently on the market. All of them are FCC certified and span 3 major form factors: humanoid, quadruped, and mobile manipulators. We will maintain a stable supply of these products and continue upgrading them in response to US regulation and market demand. Second, several products scheduled for launch in September. All of them are already FCC certified. They will expand our existing portfolio, serve a wide range of use cases and ecosystem, and create more market opportunities for our downstream partners. Third, our future new built-in USA EAI devices. From parts selection, production, to delivery, every stage will strictly comply with FCC requirements and all other applicable US regulations. Through this process, we will achieve our built-in USA goals in phases. For parts supply, we plan to bring leading global Tier 1 suppliers here. We will explore improves like establishing joint venture factories in the US. For parts manufacturing, we will prioritize the US production of the parts required for FCC compliance, as well as critical parts capable of driving major advances in the robotics industry. By doing so, we could strengthen supply chain resilience while translating world-leading technologies and manufacturing capabilities into the US industry. Later, after today's launch event, we will host an exclusive private preview of upcoming products, featuring next futures, next ages, and additional new products and solutions. To all our partners here with us today, be sure not to miss it. And to distributors across America, I want to extend a clear invitation. Join us on the Building USA journey. Together, we can move the robotics industry forward and maximize value for every distributor partner who joins us.